Welcome to Sharpshooters Inc., where we shoot you straight on reviews and unboxings. Always tell you the truth. It's our opinion, not somebody else's. Today we're going to be talking about pro wrestling loot. We got the September box in, and last month I was fortunate enough to get a 1 out of 50 Chase figure. So, probably not going to have this kind of look this time, but it's going to be fun seeing what's inside here. Pro wrestling has just always been a wonderful getaway for me since I was a little kid. Dad was in the military, the army, moved to Germany. You know, we kept moving around. I have 3 schools in the first grade. Okay? 3 schools. That's hard for a kid. But I discovered pro wrestling. WrestleMania 3 was the first wrestling event I ever saw. Hulk Hogan. Oh my goodness. He was just a man. Say your prayers. Take your vitamins. Yes. It was wonderful. It's just an escape from reality. It's a male soap opera, I know. But sometimes we need just an escape from reality. There's a lot of stress going on in the world today. So, without further ado, let's get into what's in this box. Alright, first thing we got is, and I don't want to peek. We got Blue Mini, Blue World Order. If any of y'all ever watched ECW, you know this guy. Remember when JBL punched this guy in the face? Oh my goodness, that was brutal. That was brutal. Probably not a t-shirt I will wear most often, but it's cool. It is really cool. Shout out to Blue World Order and Blue Meanie. I mean, you did a great job. You know, you did what you were given and you made it work. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. What's this? Ooh, Lucha Libre mask. All right. Let's see what. This is actually pretty cool. I mean, goodness, that's a. I know you can't feel this, but this is good quality. I mean, there's a lot of masks I've gotten in the past in different boxes, and it's not been like this. Look, okay. I hate to do this right now, but I'm gonna try to find the cheat sheet here and figure out who this is. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't want to look at all these. Oh my goodness, Chimera. Do you remember Alberto Del Rio's ring announcer? Yep, Ricardo Rodriguez. This is his Lucha Libre mask. Okay, we gotta try this on. I know this is stupid. Just bear with me. Oh my goodness. Whew. This is really cool. I mean, really can't see through it, but I mean, I'm sure it's for decorations and anything, but oh my goodness. Does this make you feel like a Lucha Libre, you know, Alberto Del Rio? I can't roll my R's very good, but hey, you know what it means. There's nothing wrong, have a little fun being silly. This is really cool. I will be definitely keeping this in my collection. Love it. Absolutely love it. What else do we have? Alright, my hat back on so you don't have to look at my short military haircut. We got the pin. Who is it? Juventud Guerrero. Do you remember back in the day with the Monday Night Wars and the WCW, WWE going at it? Juventud was awesome. I mean, I used to love to watch WCW and WWE. You know, I really didn't have a favorite because they're both offered different things. And they were great. And I loved it. I was in high school when that was going on. Whew, man, date my age, 39 years old. But that's really cool. And you know, it's really cool about this shirt here is I actually, a couple boxes back, got the Blue Mini figure pin too. So that's pretty cool. I can put all those together. All right, what else we got in here? Psycho Clown. This dude is crazy. If you haven't watched him, I recommend you just looking up Psycho Clown on YouTube. You'll find all kinds of stuff about him. This dude is nuts. I would love to see a match between him and Darby Allin. Oh, we got a card in here too. What do we got? Bobby Fulton. I think I have a Kamala and a couple of other ones. I can't remember the other ones. But I do have a few. This is really cool. So I will be putting this in my trading card sheet. Psycho Clown, look him up. Oh my gosh. Check this out. Beautiful Bobby Eaton. This is 2 months in a row that I have gotten a 1 out of 50 Chase figure. Last one was Ricky Morton from the Rock and Roll Express. This is amazing. Look, the peg hole thing, not even torn out. That's when you know it's in mint condition. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. I love it. Man, if I could get Funkos with a Chase like this all the time, man, I would be in hog heaven. Yeah, you're probably saying, look at this country boy right here. That's okay. Hey, everybody's got to laugh. We got to all have fun, right? There's too much stress going on in the world today. Look, be kind. Show some love to somebody. You know, there's too much stress. All right, we got this COVID thing. We got the election. Oh, my gosh, back and forth. Blah, 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 blah. Buying each other. Look, just be kind to somebody. Show somebody you care. And pass it forward. So, we have beautiful Bobby Eaton, 1 out of 50 Chase. I still can't believe that's 2 months in a row. 2 months in a row. I mean, thank you, Lord. I'm blessed. We have Psycho Clown autograph with stupid authenticity. Juventud Guerrera pin. We have the Camaro Rodrigo mask. That's pretty cool. Ricardo Rodriguez. I guess I messed it up. You know, sorry. And we got the 2X Blue Mini. Yeah, and 2X. I would like to get down to extra large, and I am working toward that. Let me tell you, I have been working out every single day, trying to work toward that goal. So, hey, you can say, hey, that fat country guy, whatever. But it's cool. All right, it's cool. It's no big deal. Laugh, love, have fun, put a smile on your face. We all need that right now, okay? All right. Pro Wrestling Luke, September 2020.